Hey, what's going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency live stream. It's been a while, everybody, but I'm back. And how is everybody doing? Make sure to let me know down in the comment section below. What do you think of what's going on in crypto? We've been getting a lot of moves. Bitcoin right under $30,000. We have broken above $30,000 now, but we're basically consolidating right below it. That's what seems to be happening. And actually, a lot of people are calling for a move down to 25,000, right? That's not impossible, right? There's definitely the possibility for that based on the technicals because we've been on the higher end of this range. So we could fall back down to our major support level at 25,000, but I don't think that's very likely. And I'll give you a couple reasons why during this live stream. First off is we had a huge opportunity to fall below our main support here at 26,600, but we actually didn't even come back that low and put in a higher low. So that was very, very bullish for the price. And I just want to welcome everybody to the stream. Thank you to our live viewers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're jumping right into it. I need to slow down and let some people join before I get into too much details. While I'm doing that, very, very important stuff today. Guys, I created a new YouTube channel. This is going to be my second channel. It's called Dogecoin Today. It has to do with everything Dogecoin related. It's going to be the #1 source for Dogecoin news, price predictions, tutorials, all that good stuff. So go check it out. Link in the description. I also pinned it in the chat section of this live stream. And I think you'll all enjoy that channel very much. So go check it out. Link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe. And, there's going to be content on there, but of course, all the usual content on The Right Trader as per usual. So welcome everybody to the live stream, and let's get right into it, guys. It's been a while, and I'm very glad to be streaming again for all of you guys. So right now, like I said, guys, Bitcoin is right below 30,000, and it's really coiling up for a massive breakout. Okay, so right now is actually a pretty good buying opportunity, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Keep in mind there is that risk of getting that 15% move lower, but that would be about as low as we go, I think, and I honestly think it's quite unlikely that that even happens. And like I said, guys, we put in a higher low over here, okay, which I mean, we've been so strong, right? I mean, talk about a pump. We've been pumping nonstop, and we could have very well gotten a bigger pullback, but we didn't even manage to put in a lower low, okay? We put in a higher low, we held support, and we actually broke back into the breakout territory, which was anything above basically 29,300. So now we are in this rectangle, which you will have known that if you watched my previous video on Bitcoin, but we have a lot of room to move higher here up to 35,000. And this should start happening fairly quickly, okay? We might consolidate for a week or so, maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, right around this support level right here. Could be a little bit lower, down to 28,500, but that's about as low as I see this going for now. I think we're just going to consolidate in this lower support level, and then we're going to start moving higher. And it's going to surprise a lot of people, right? It's going to liquidate a lot of shorts, let me tell you that. So, be careful with any trades there, not financial advice, but that's kind of what I'm expecting to happen for Bitcoin. And of course, Bitcoin will lead the move. Ethereum will probably start pumping next, breaking above 2,000, and then it's going to start trickling down into some of the smaller altcoins out there. And by the way, guys, since it's been a while since I made a live stream, make sure to hit that like button. Consider dropping a super chat if you want to support this channel and support the hard work I do on these daily live streams. So make sure to do that. Haven't gotten a super chat in a while. And of course, guys, let me know your thoughts on the crypto market right now. Do you think we're going to move higher? Do you think we might be in for a drop again? I'd be interested here. I love having a discussion with you guys in the comment section down below. And of course, if you just joined the live stream, guys, go check out my new to YouTube channel, Dogecoin Today. Link in the description of this live stream. Now, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, that is what's going to be happening short term in the next month or so. But we do have a lot of room to then move higher, guys. And from even the current level here at 29,400, up to 40,000, we have a 35% move here. Okay, and we could head higher to 50K or above, which would start becoming very nice gains for Bitcoin. And at that point, guys, any massive drop is going to be, the risk of that is going to be diminished, right? We might only fall back down to 35,000, 30,000, something like that. Okay, so the more we move higher, the less likely it is that we're going to come back to those lower, more worrisome levels. And to be honest, guys, Bitcoin is technically intact on the long-term time chart, guys. Look at how beautiful this is, okay? Yes, we are in somewhat of a crypto winter, although we are in the pump of the crypto winter, okay, like I talked about. but still, guys, we're holding the long-term uptrend, which is really key here, okay? And that is really the most important thing. Now, let's go ahead and check out Ethereum here, see what's been going on with that. I also want to mention some of the coins that have been doing well here in the last 7 days. We got some of the smaller cryptos. Last 24 hours, once again, things like Immutable X, some random smaller cryptos are actually doing quite well here. And as far as underperformers, we have some layer 2 chains or projects that seems to be underperforming. Okay, so we got things like PancakeSwap, Optimism. So people are sticking to some of the bigger coins here, I'd say. And like I said, any major moves, especially short-term, guys, it's going to be the way is going to be led by Bitcoin, which you can see here, right? It's strongly outperforming the rest of other cryptos. A lot of cryptos are still down in the last 7 days. Check across the board here, a lot of red, except for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is performing above the rest, up in the last 7 days, up in the last 24 hours. And of course, like I said, right, we're coiling below 30,000 to get that breakout, which is going to be a very strong breakout. And other than that, some coins that are performing quite well. Ethereum is, of course, holding up. It was actually doing even better just a few days ago. And we have BNB. BNB has been on a tear, guys. I'm actually getting more bullish on BNB. I was worried about this coin a few months back, but look at this, guys. It has like a wall of support here at $300, and we've not really been breaking below that. So I think that the path might be upwards for this as well, or just some consolidation around $330, $350. But I do like BNB right now, and I think long-term, that's, of course, a great coin. Now, as far as smaller cryptos, like I said, we did have some altcoins that dropped here, and that is just for the general market overview. But going into Ethereum specifically, we can see that I was drawing out this, what is this called again? Wickoff, or 5-wave move. I forgot what the exact name of this pattern is, but it's the 5-wave formation, right? And you can see the first wave up, the second wave down, the third wave up, the fourth wave down, and then boom, we have one more wave basically for a move higher, right? And we actually got this fourth move down right here, okay? So it happened very, very quickly, and now, like I said, guys, we could move higher. Don't be surprised if we just start ripping in a matter of days, guys. Don't be surprised, okay? I'm telling you guys that right now. I really don't see us losing our support level for Bitcoin and ETH here. For ETH, it's 1,836. But like I said, guys, I don't think we're going to fall below that. I think we have a huge amount of support there, and I think we're going to start moving higher in this range. Resistance is going to be $2,183. I don't think that's going to be a huge problem to break above that. I think it's going to cause some short-term resistance, right, where we might consolidate a bit. But I think we're really heading on towards 2,500 here. So that is very bullish for Ethereum. And I wanted to also dive into the TVL of some cryptos. TVL on ETH is holding up here. I got to say, guys, Tron, a little bit of a kind of insider information, if you want to call it that, for Tron. I think Tron is being severely underrated here. It has a lot of strong activity on its chain in terms of its decentralized applications, steady growth, and especially maintaining its total value locked above $5 billion, guys. That's literally more than the Binance chain, okay? And now I want you to compare Tron, okay, with that 5 billion plus TVL to BNB in terms of market cap, okay? The market cap of BNB is 50 billion, and the market cap of Tron, which is one of the best proof of stake projects in my opinion, is only 5.9 billion, guys. Tron should probably be at 10x here, and I think we're going to see that in the next bull run. Why is that? On top of how bullish the network is, and how good of a network it is, I think it's going to attract a huge amount of Chinese investors, guys. And I think that's going to be a big narrative in the next crypto bull run, is going to be all the Chinese investors coming in. And they're going to choose Asian coins like Tron, okay? So just think about the amount of money, right? Billions of people from China putting in their money in crypto. They're going to stick to what they know. They're going to stick to Asian projects. And Tron is one of the best ones out there, right? It's the biggest one. So, and on top of that, it's fundamentally sound. That's a great combo for it to become a top 5 cryptocurrency, I think. And like I said, guys, easy 10x on this one for the long term. It's literally held up fully in the last year or so, guys. Look at this. It's up 4.2% in the last year. On all time frames, it's up. Guys, literally almost no coin out there was up in the last year, okay? Let's see, Bitcoin, did it manage to be up now? I'm not even sure. No, see, even Bitcoin is down 24% in the last year. So guys, that shows you that the money that's in Tron is not leaving it, and that leaves it with one only other option, right? Money coming into it. And that's why you watch this YouTube channel. This is the best crypto channel on YouTube. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We have 0 likes. What's going on, guys? I want to see your comments. I want to see your support, and consider dropping a super chat for the amazing content that I come out with you on a regular basis. Please support the channel, guys. It's greatly appreciated and needed for me to keep doing these videos. So make sure at the very least leave a like, and also consider dropping a super chat. You can do that with the $ emoji. Right here in the YouTube chat section of this live stream. And of course, go check out my new YouTube channel, Dogecoin Today, guys. Link in the description of this video to that. Now, that was what I wanted to give you, a little tidbit on Tron here. Extremely bullish on that. Extremely bullish on that. And you know, it's only at 6 cents, guys. People like cheaper coins, so this is also a benefit of Tron. You know, a 10x or so would put it around 50-60 cents. And I think this one could even reach $1, I'd say, maybe at the peak of the next bull run. If not, at least 50 cents. So still a great outlook, and something that can also grow long term, right? It's, I believe, either the #1 or 2nd biggest chain as far as the amount of US tether on it. Okay, so a lot of people use it. I've used it myself. I love Tron. It's one of the best proof of stake chains out there, in my opinion. Of course, it does have proof of stake rewards, kind of like a dividend yield, so that is also an added benefit, right? So you get, you know, that 4.2% gain in the last year when most cryptos were down, and on top of that, you're getting your yield from staking Tron. Okay, so very nice coin there. Very underestimated coin, I'd say, and a coin that a lot of people ignore, especially in English speaking countries, it seems like. Okay, now what else did I want to talk about today? Well, let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Look at that, guys. I just refreshed it. We were at 59 yesterday. We're now at 64. We're moving into greed. That is very bullish, guys. That's why I think it's only going to take about a week and a half at the absolute most for Bitcoin to go flying higher again, guys. Crypto is really going crazy right now. This is why that's the title of this video. And why am I saying it's going crazy? Well, let's go to the 4-hour price chart, guys. Look at how volatile it's been, but almost in a good way, right? We went pumping higher up to the resistance, came all the way back down just to bounce off support, right? And of course, for Bitcoin, which has been absolutely amazing in terms of its strength, not only, right, has it been very volatile, okay, but we put in that lower high, which is really big, guys, really big. Let's go ahead and check out XRP. Haven't talked about XRP in a while. I want to see your comments, guys. Make sure to leave your support, hit that like button. We only have 1 like. Guys, I need at least 5 likes on this video, and also please consider supporting the channel with a super chat, guys. It's greatly appreciated and needed for me to keep doing these live streams. Frank W is saying, I stopped with Tron when Justin Sun just left it to do politics. I know Justin Sun is kind of controversial. Totally understand that. I think he is pretty smart, though. I think he knows what he's doing with Tron. He knows what he's doing with the projects on it, and I think that he will carry it to wider success. Despite the fact that he can be a little bit annoying and controversial, I do think that the overall outlook for Tron is good. And for those who don't know, Justin Sun is the CEO and founder of Tron. Now, XRP, guys. XRP is holding up quite nicely here. In fact, you'll notice that it actually has been doing pretty well in the last few days as well. And also a lot of volatility here. We got our breakout spot on with my lines, guys. I didn't even touch this chart in terms of the lines that I'd run out, but look at this, guys. We got the breakout above 43 cents. That caused us to move all the way up to my next resistance level, which was right around 55 cents. Okay, we put in a little bit of a higher wick, fell back down below that resistance, came all the way back down to test the support. I didn't edit this after the video or anything, right? You saw this on the live stream a couple weeks back. And now we're bouncing higher, guys. I don't think we're going to head back into this blue territory range. I think, yes, we could consolidate a little bit more up here. But ultimately, guys, we're still in a wider breakout mode here for what's it called? XRP. And I think we are heading towards these next resistance levels up here. First target after the 55-cent breakout is going to be 70 cents and then 80 cents, okay? Still like XRP a lot. I like Tron, right? I like some of these cheaper coins in the top 10, top 15, things like XRP, Tron, Cardano. Cardano is also one of the better proof of stake coins in my opinion. I think people always kind of forget about Cardano and then are surprised when it pumps, okay? People like Cardano. There's a big fan base. It's at 40 cents. It's a good cheap price right now. And keep in mind, guys, Cardano was at an all-time high of $3 back during the previous bull run, okay? So even at 40 cents, we've got a nice move back to the all-time highs. And also, guys, most likely for something like Cardano, right, that has a big following, we're going to break above $3 on the next bull run, okay? So we're probably going to go to $5 at least on the next bull run, which is why there's really a lot of reasons to be bullish here, guys. You know, I think you need to pay attention to that. And other than that, you know, Polygon fell back down a bit. It's at $1. I think people are not too focused on Polygon right now, which is normal, right? You need a lot of hype. You need a lot of DeFi hype for certain of these coins to pump. And then you have other coins that pump based on different stuff, right? Now, usually when the crypto market moves higher, most coins move with it. But there's always certain coins that will move more on different news, right? For XRP, it's stuff with CBDCs maybe, or stuff with the lawsuit. For Dogecoin, of course, anything related to Elon Musk is going to cause Dogecoin to pump. But also, you know, Dogecoin has a lot of other stuff going on with it, which makes it, I think, a very strong outperformer over the long term in the crypto market. Bitcoin right now, the narrative has been whenever a bank blows up, guys, which there's been a lot of banks that have been blowing up, it tends to cause Bitcoin to move higher. Okay, so it has an inverse correlation here. If stocks drop, Bitcoin moves higher. If banks crumble, Bitcoin moves higher. And even when none of that stuff is happening, well, usually Bitcoin stays pretty strong, right? Holds up, which is why it's such a strong asset, guys. And I just wanted to go here, pull up that news bit if we have with FRC, right? There's just been so many banks blowing up. People don't trust traditional finance, was understandable. And that's why I think it's great to have crypto exposure, right? Especially into Bitcoin first and foremost, and then into other coins. Right now, I like Bitcoin and Dogecoin personally. That's non-financial advice, guys. That's just my own personal opinion. Just scrolling through the news, making sure I don't miss anything important for all of you guys here. This is kind of interesting, right? Coinbase will be best investment over the next 5 years. Is that true or not? You know, Coinbase stock, right, we're talking about, is a safe way to get exposure to crypto, right? And I think it will perform quite well. It's pretty cheap right now. I personally just like holding crypto directly. Maybe that's just me, but I think for most people here, that's kind of the same mindset, right? We like holding our crypto, preferably even on hardware wallets, right? Like Ledger. And you know, I think that's the best way to go about crypto, right? You don't want to touch your crypto back too much. You want to buy it, set it, and forget it. That's usually what yields the biggest returns in crypto. We've got some bullish news here. Circle launches cross-chain USDC transfer protocol for Ethereum and Avalanche. Okay, Avalanche is also one of the cryptos that I think is being quite you know, underestimated right now during this bear market. When we see more DeFi activity, more money coming into crypto, especially DeFi, Avalanche is going to pump, Polkadot is going to pump, Polygon is going to pump, all the chains that are going to be exposed to that, okay? So Circle here is getting more integrated with Avalanche, and of course that's bullish for Avalanche. Bitcoin price jumps in the wake of First Republic Bank price crash. First Republic stock has been crumbling lower, no surprise there. And, you know, like I said, guys, Bitcoin has been mooning when this happens, okay? And we also have here an interesting article. Bitcoin touches 30K as BTC bulls well-positioned for weekly 3.2 billion options expiry. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of moving factor, probably Bitcoin options as well playing a role in that. That is really causing Bitcoin to defy gravity here and not fall back down, right? Most assets, even though we are in a bullish megaphone formation, okay, as you can see here, I should probably extend these lines a bit. Let's see here, clean up this chart. I'm gonna go ahead and extend these two lines, guys. Despite the fact that we're in this bullish megaphone formation, we're not falling lower, right? It's showing us that it's refusing to fall lower, right? And that really leads it with only one place that it can go, which is probably move higher, or if not, just a bit of consolidation, right? But with Bitcoin, it tends to pump. And Look at this, guys. Since the beginning of this video, we did move higher. Why? Because we're not falling below the support. So, you know, there's just not enough sellers here to cause the price to dump, which means that we're probably going to keep liquidating anybody who tries to short. Okay. And we do actually, we're very strong right now. We could really get to 35K quickly, guys. I'm telling you that right now. Let me know in the comment section down below if there's any other coins you want me to talk about in this live stream, guys. Very, very important. Please let me know which coins you want me to cover. I'll gladly do it. I'll gladly take a look at the price chart. You just need to let me know which coins to take a look at, guys. And of course, most important thing during this live stream, go check out my new YouTube channel, Dogecoin Today. Go subscribe, guys. We're going to make history together. We're going to bring Dogecoin to the moon. And, you know, I want you guys to all check out the channel. There's going to be a bunch of cool videos on a regular basis coming out. Short-term stuff, long-term stuff for Dogecoin. Go check it out, guys. Link in the description of this live stream, and also pin it in the chat section of this live stream as well. It's called Dogecoin Today. That's going to be my second new YouTube channel. I want to see some of your comments, guys. I want to see some of your support. Also, consider dropping a super chat, and let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to check out any specific coins here. I don't want to miss out on any coins that you want me to take a look at. As far as the last month is concerned, guys, Bitcoin and ETH up around the same amount of 8%. Okay, so Bitcoin and ETH are holding up. We got some altcoins that are dropping a bit, like XRP. Doge still outperforming most cryptos. And yeah, that's kind of the rundown. Seems like a bit of money is leaving stablecoins, right? Stablecoins have been, you know, not the safest thing to be in, I think, right? I think a lot of people would rather hold Bitcoin than stablecoins right now. And part of that, right, if people did hold Bitcoin instead of stablecoins, would be better for crypto. And I think that it would just lead to more stability. And really, when you understand Bitcoin, you realize, right, it's just a better version of cash, right? It is the complete future, and it's the best form of currency out there. Okay, now Litecoin is being requested by Casa Brom. Thank you for your comment, Casa. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll gladly take a look at Dogecoin. And let me tell you guys, I've been talking about Bitcoin, I've been talking about Dogecoin, but Litecoin has been performing very, very well. And I think it's going to continue to perform very well. And actually, Dogecoin and Litecoin are two extremely similar coins, okay? Now, let me just take a look at one thing real quick, which is going to be, let's see, what did I want to take a look at here? As far as the price is going, we are holding the uptrend, guys. And this is exactly what I predicted, right? As long as we hold this uptrend, we're going to keep seeing strength moving up to our target of $145 here. That's just a short-term bull move during this crypto winter, okay? We could fall back down after that, but that would just be a really good buying opportunity, in my opinion, because after that, this is what's going to happen, guys, and probably actually a lot more than that. What's cool with Litecoin, okay, is first off, right, needless to say, beautiful 350+% move back to the all-time highs. I love proof of work coins, guys. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin are all proof of work coins. I believe they will always stay proof of work coins, right? I know there's some talk about Dogecoin going proof of stake. I don't believe that's going to happen. I don't want to see that happen. On top of that, guys, Dogecoin and Litecoin share the same mining algorithm, okay? It's the script mining algorithm. So it's different than Bitcoin, but they are proof of work as well. Okay, actually, most mining pools now, they mine Dogecoin and Litecoin together. So I think both these coins are going to perform very well. I think both of them have great communities behind them. They're both true to what crypto is supposed to be as a currency and as a proof of work crypto. And, you know, they've been around for a very long time as well, okay? On top of that, both of these coins, sorry to group your question into Dogecoin, but this is relevant to everything I'm talking about. They've both performed very well over the long term. The only benefit that Dogecoin has over Litecoin is that Dogecoin has a way bigger community, guys. I was talking about this on my Dogecoin Today YouTube channel, link in the description. Dogecoin has 2.4 million subscribers on Reddit, okay? Your average newbie, your average random person will buy Dogecoin probably before Litecoin, which is why I think Dogecoin might pump a little bit more, but I think both coins will perform very well. And personally, I need to get some more Litecoin. Okay, I'm not holding enough. I want to buy some more Litecoin, but I love all proof of work coins. And I think, basically Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin are really going to be the three main top 10, top 15 coins that are going to be proof of work moving forward. Okay, so we have to give credit where credit's due. Casabrom is asking about XLM, which he says used to be a top 10 coin. Will it outperform? He says he thinks it might outperform XRP. He's asking me to check out XLM to BTC price chart. So yes, XLM was a very popular coin actually back in the day, back in the earlier days of crypto. It's a fork of XRP actually. And let me see here. I'm going to take a look at the dollar chart for just 1 second. I just want to see where it is right now. It's kind of back towards its lows, around 9 cents. Tends to consolidate a lot around this 9 to 10 cent area, I've noticed. I got to say, guys, back to the all-time highs, a very nice move there. But, we're going to compare this to BTC. And, I still think that I have a hard time seeing how XLM is going to outperform XRP. Because, once again, the community behind XRP is stronger compared to XLM. A lot stronger, guys. A lot stronger, right? XRP is probably the fourth strongest crypto community out there after Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. Okay. Keep in mind that Dogecoin, guys, is the second most popular crypto after Bitcoin. In some countries, it's even more popular than Bitcoin, right? Which means that people hear about Dogecoin before they even hear about Bitcoin. And I think people hear about XLM most definitely before they hear about XLM. Okay. I'll repeat that one more time. People hear about XRP before they hear about XLM. Okay, so they're gonna put their money in what they hear first, right? That's why the power of the community is so important, and the price is reflecting that, guys. Look at how weak XLM is, especially compared to Bitcoin. I don't really see any major reason why you would hold XLM. Now, granted, if you're trying to catch a big outperformance compared to Bitcoin, that could make sense. But if we're looking at the XLM to USD price chart, guys, it just doesn't look that good, okay? And let's take a look at XRP price chart to USD first, okay? Look at how much stronger it is, guys. We are above the lows compared to the past, right? We've set different staircases, but we are above the lows here. And also, if we look at the XRP to Bitcoin chart, it's going to be a lot different, right? We're at rock bottom when looking at XLM. For XRP, we are extremely low. You could say rock bottom as well, but we are holding this line, I'd say, right around here, okay? And why is that different? Well, if we look at XLM, it seems like we could more easily sink lower, right? We can see how the price is kind of falling off the edge still, and we're really at the edge here, okay? So that is the bit of difference that I see when looking at XLM compared to XRP. But guys, both of these coins carry certain risk. They're both kind of controversial coins. I do like XRP, but it is a controversial coin, and depending on what happens with the lawsuit or whatnot, both of these coins could get annihilated, right? There's other coins out there that don't carry that risk, which is why stick with the bigger stuff and stick with stuff that's out of drama first, okay? That's just my own personal opinion, not financial advice. With that being said, guys, as always, I've been talking way too much, but thank you so much for watching. Please consider dropping a super chat, hit that like button, and of course, guys, I'll be seeing you all very soon. If you haven't already, guys, go check out my YouTube channel, Dogecoin Today. Make sure to go subscribe, link in the description. And thank you so much for watching. I think I gave a lot of awesome tidbits in this live stream. So with that being said, guys, I'll be seeing you all very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and to the next one. See you soon, guys.